Alright, last little objective for the day. We want to find a unit vector. So remember, unit vector just has a magnitude of 1 that's in the same direction as the vector they provide for us here. So we've got vector v and it's negative I plus 3j. Let me just kind of sketch that so we can picture that. So here would be negative 1, right, in the horizontal direction, and it's going up 3. And so our actual vector would be this guy right here. So remember, to find the magnitude, all you do is do Pythagorean theorem. And so we've got 9 plus 1 square root of that. So the magnitude of this vector is 10. Or again, just to kind of review some things we've talked about, here's our notation. The magnitude of vector v would be the square root of 10. Okay? So think about what we're doing. We're basically taking this vector, we want to maintain its direction, but we want to scale its magnitude down so it only has a magnitude of 1. So to do that, we just divide the vector by its magnitude. So if you do vector v divided by the magnitude of vector v, you're going to get a unit vector that still has the same direction. So let's just plug this in. And so we've got negative, in fact, this is fine, negative I plus 3j, and we're dividing that by the square root of 10. Well, can you see how that applies to what we've been doing? It's the same as multiplying this vector by 1 over the square root of 10. And so we're going to get negative 1 over the square root of 10 I plus 3 over the square root of 10 j. Or if we wanted, we could write it in component form, and you could write it like this: negative 1 over square root of 10, 3 over square root of 10. So remember, they mean the exact same thing. So find the magnitude and then just divide the vector by that magnitude. You've turned it into a unit vector, but you've maintained the direction.